One day, Aryeh, a father of 4, was going back home after services on Shabbat. And he experienced a malaise, found himself on the floor, unconscious. A person walked up, saw him in this state, quickly started resuscitating him, and called Hatzalah. They came, they saved him in time, and Baruch Hashem today, Aryeh is a very happy man. Who was that man that saved him? This man was none other than the person he wasn't speaking to for over 5 years, praying in the same synagogue. The Torah teaches us in this week's Torah portion, what happens if you see the ox of your enemy wandering, or you see the donkey of your enemy lying under its load? Azov ta'azov imo. You have to break your nature and go help him. This is a message. The message of the Torah is that if you want to connect yourself to God, lo nitnu hamitzvot ela letzarev bahem et habriot. The whole purpose of all the mitzvot that we do is not to be robots or to show that we are religious or observant. It's about becoming more refined people. And the way we become refined is when we break our nature, when we're able to do good with those who might have wronged us. So next time you see someone that might not be your friend, try to break your nature and do something good for him.